Lizzie. I'm going to show you how to fold your very own origami model of DNA. So we're going to make a double helix shape. So hopefully you've got a sheet like this and it shows the rungs of the ladder of DNA. Now inside there are the codes. So DNA has this codes of A, T, C and G and they pair with each other. They're called complementary bases. So I want you to have a look at how it works and then have a go at colouring in and writing in the pairs there. So maybe do that first of all. Your next step after that, because I'm going to show you how to do the origami part, is just cut this out. So cut this out, pair of scissors to make a long rectangle. Now I'm going to show you how to do the folding, which is, I'm sure you'll be glad to know, is quite easy. So how to do this. So here we've got two sort of types of folds. This one, which is little lines with dots, represent a mountain. So that's kind of going up and down, and these ones go in. Now I reckon we just start with one at a time. So first of all, we're going to start with the mountains. So what I want you to do is we're just going to fold this along the line so it's sort of away from you. So it looks like this, like that. So can you see it's going up and down like a mountain? And then do exactly the same fold for the next rung. So this is what you're doing for each step, like so. So I want you to be doing the same as well. This will take you a little time, but just enjoy the concentration. It's also, hopefully it's quite relaxing. So you're just adding a rung each time, like so, and hopefully you'll get into the swing of it. It's amazing to think your DNA is actually around 2 meters long, very long, obviously very thin, and actually there has to be lots of clever systems to make sure it doesn't tangle, because it is a physical thing. So there's ways of getting rid of tangles. Very complex process, and of course everything has to be copied well, or else you could have mutations as well, which could be useful in terms of evolution, or it could produce problems as well. And hopefully you'll learn about that on the video. So just keep going. Can you see how it's almost sort of curving with those lines? I think I'll show you the next step now, because you don't need me to show you every single rung there, but you get the idea. So we're doing a fold each time. Now for the other ones, these are called valley folds. They go in like a valley. So you're going to fold from that corner to that one. Now this is an interesting one because it's sort of away from you, so it's a bit harder to see, and actually I find it easier to look from the back. So have a look on the back, and each time you see the sort of ladder there, the rung of the ladder, you're going to fold from one corner to the other. So you can either do it from looking, but each time it's hidden, or you can go to the back as I'm doing now. So I'm going to go each time, and actually you can see it just through the light from that corner to that corner, and that's what you keep doing. And you'll find at the end of it, it sort of curls up into an interesting shape, and all you'll need to do is just go gently with the folds that there are, and it will start to form a sort of round shape inside there. I'm afraid it's only by doing it that you will see how it works, but it will all kind of squash down and fold up. So if you follow each of these little folds, it will start to gather up and form this circular structure, like so, like that. And then as you open it up, you'll see it's formed this double helix, and you can look inside to see the rungs, which contains the DNA code. I hope that's worked for you. Thank you.